story of a breakup, a divorce, and this is why you do it, or else you're gonna be put back to the adoption center.
Hey babe, I got something to tell you.
What is it?
I don't want to really hurt you, but
What? What did I talk about?
I've been back with my ex-boyfriend and I don't want to tell you that because I know that might hurt your heart.
Please tell me you're joking.
No, actually I ain't.
What? I'm gonna bring my shotgun with me and talk to your ex-boyfriend.
Don't please, Daddy. I'm sorry.
Don't call me that. We're not couples anymore. It's your fault. Why did you even cheat on me with your ex?
Because he's more richer than you.
Sure, you're doing that now? Good, let's divorce. I'm gonna get my divorce papers. Prepare.
Sure, why not?
After that, they went to the court together. While he's gonna sue his girlfriend or something of the divorce. Yeah, so, yeah, like 5 minutes or 1 hour later, while in the court. Order in the court!
Try to make this one. Let's name that part is removed.
After that, they gave this child in the adoption center. Then they went divorce. I hate my life. I hate my life. Why would my own wife cheat on me? Why did he do it? Why did he do it? I'm gonna kill my life. I'm gonna kill my life. After this, I'm gonna kill my life. Someone knocks on the door.
Excuse me, sir.
He opens the door. He sees her wife's sister.
Can we be couples?
Yeah! That's it, everyone. I got a bit excited and went to bed. So yeah, that's the end. See you next time, bozo.